Today we're going to be replacing a trunk lock because they get stuck in the valet position and that's the end of them. So you can either pay a locksmith to take it apart and rebuild it, blah blah blah, or you can spend like 30 bucks and just replace it and get a new key. So that's what we did today. We just bought a new one and we're going to replace it. First you're going to need a longish flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. So first you're going to start out with removing the 16 little clips that hold your carpet on. If you don't have this carpet, obviously skip it. Now just for the sake of this video, I don't have 16 in it. Alright, next up, you've got 4 10mm bolts that hold the center reflector on, or the black plastic garnish that you have. Go ahead and remove those. I don't know what happened to my tools. Found it. And again, I only have one in, so that's that. Next up, you've got these little black pieces here. I don't know if you can see it through the video. No, you can't. Alright, this black piece on the trunk, you have to go ahead and take those out. You got one on each side here. Okay. Alright, now you've got, let's see, 2, 4, you got 6 little yellow clips that hold the center reflector on. I'll show you as soon as I get it off what they look like. You got 2 on the left side, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the right. So to get to the 2 in the middle, you got to take your trunk lock off. It's 2 10mm bolts, and undo the rod that goes from the latch to your trunk lock. And that's just a little green clip, and you do it like the door handle. It's the same clip. And then you can get to that one, and then you'll need your flathead screwdriver to get to the center one here. There's one right there. So go ahead and undo your clips. And these are what your clips look like. Then you get your 10mm back out and take off the trunk lock. And there's 2 of those. Now, the little clip that holds your rod on is the same as the one at your latch. So you just pop it off, pull the rod out, and then your lock comes out the top. Anyway, so now I gotta replace it. Get your new one, put it back in, and installation is the exact reverse. Now, the rod, just like on your door handle, slides in and then clips on. That's it. That's all it is. And then at the very end, here is the other end of it. See? And then that latches to your trunk latch, to this clip. That's all it is. So, anywho, I hope that helps. Like I said, installation is the exact reverse. And go ahead and get replacing.